things that we got to talk about today. Knowing what the outside factors are versus the inside factors. There's psychological things we need to work on, we need to approach, but then there's also outside factors that are beyond our actual realm of control, meaning like the foods and things that they put out there. Sometimes we're not always in a position to change the food. If you go to a wedding, like I went to one of our friends' weddings a month or two ago, and I couldn't really eat anything on there. But, there was fruits, there were vegetables, there were certain things like that. So I kind of just ate that, and I prepared myself for this actual wedding because I knew there wasn't going to be anything. So I made sure I ate big before we actually went to the wedding. So there's things that we have to do that's inside of our control. And I want you guys to understand that you guys have to have control, because control is everything. And when you guys are in control of your actual health and wellness and your nutrition, you're going to see that it goes beyond anything else of what you're thinking, because the psychological effects of actual eating, the struggle with weight loss really stems from your job. When you work and you're on your job and you 5 days a week and you're meal prepping, how many people in the chat meal prep? How many of you guys are meal prepping? I know we got some new people that are coming in. Listen, meal prepping is 100% important. Prepare yourself for success. Meal prep means you're preparing yourself.